he competed.
Okay, so Paul is a sorcerer now.
It's one confusing movie.
He turned off the air thingy, the air dryer thingy. So we watched Doctor Strange.
It was a very confusing.
Yeah, it was strange.
No pun intended. Can you go to our house for one?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now.
Let's hang out at their house.
How about you?
Yay! We're going to Isaac's house. So, yeah.
So it's so strange.
Yeah. And if you haven't seen the movie yet, here's a tip for you. Don't leave during the credits, even the second credits. Because some people left, but we didn't. And we saw the secrets behind it.
Just in short, finish the movie until
Yeah.
they literally finish the movie.
Yeah. Until the screen will go completely black.
Or why?
For a few seconds. Yeah, or white. Yeah.
Here's some good. I tried to do it. I don't know if it's when I check on the nose front,
Why? Hey, look at that. There's a VR machine over there. But,
Kind of broke my foot. When I opened it,
so, Isaac's parents dropped us off at Mini Stop, and we're gonna go to Inigo's house, and then it was going so well. It was going so well. There were no dogs out, but then suddenly there's like that dog over there.
Okay.
That dog over there. His code name is your best friend. Is there another dog back there? Dude, I think there's another dog back there. Paul silencing the others. Okay, let's go while there's a man right there. I think he's running. Is he? He's running. That guy's running. That dog. That guy. That guy. He's just looking at us. Hey Paul, should we run? Or should we not? I mean that guy's creepy. Even these guys. See, they still hate YouTube after all of these years. Those are their children, by the way. They still hate YouTube. The dogs that hate YouTube. Yeah, he went back.
He's gonna go.
Nangagat.
Oh,
Nangagat. Nangangagat siya. Kahit takutin siya. Oh, well.
they were
So-
kinda
Let's keep on getting closer. I mean, we've seen how fast he runs, right?
yeah.
He doesn't run that fast. We cannot run him.
No, he's just jogging. He's jogging.
He doesn't run that
He
fast.
only goes in that place. He only
Yeah.
goes-
He doesn't go beyond that house, but he goes beyond that car sometimes. Why is he even defending it? It's not even his land. It's Inigo's space.
Wait, I'm gonna do a casual
Dude, those
walk.
dogs are losing control.
Maybe.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna use the walk.
Once he gets to that green car, he's gonna start running after us again. Oh, he's slowing down.
Wait. This is a reference, but
Slowing down. When he runs at us, let's try. I'm wearing jeans, by the way. Let's not move when he doesn't move. Dude, what if those dogs lose control and then they jump over the gate?
we'll leave.
Should we move closer?
This walk is perfect, man.
Wait, I should message Inigo. I should tell him that we're going here. BRB. So Inigo's dad was there, and then the dog. I told him about the dog, and then he was like, "Oh, it's Brownie. Okay, it's okay." And then what's his because they know that dog, but we don't. The dog knows them, but the dog doesn't know us.
Yeah.
See, look at that guy. He's just right there. I'm scared.
Hindi mo lang malayo. Okay lang yan. Ba't tinabol ba kayo kanina?
Opo.
Migo! Kuya! Migo! Hanggang dito yung classmates mo, oh.